Hi, Megan. This is Larry Ronco. I got an email from your professor, Professor Chase, saying that you were trying to figure out how to get access to artifacts that you have uploaded to TK20 in a previous course. So I'm making this short video to show you how to do that. So first, you'll need to sign into my campus, and then log into TK20. You'll get you to the home screen here. You'll click on courses, and then like ECH490 fall 2022. So we'll click on that link, and then we'll click on activities. And then here are the assignments that you had in that semester for this course. So if there isn't a flag next to the assignment, that means that you uploaded something. So if I look, for example, at standard 2 and I click on the blue link here, you'll see that there are some blue links. You have 490 contextual factors analysis and rationale. So I'm going to click download, which will open it up onto your screen as a tab. But then I'm going to click on download a second time here, this arrow here. And then it should open up your hard drive or your flash drive, and then you can find whatever folder you want to put it in, and then you click save. Now it does download it again to your computer as this PDF, but if I go into my computer, and I will make sure that I will delete this from my computer, you should see that your file is there in whatever folder you decided. And so if you want to continue, you go back to TK20, you click on, you're going to have to go through this process again of clicking on courses, clicking on ECH490, clicking on activities, then pick your next thing that you want to download. So you click on the blue link. This one was ECH490 CCTS3. You click on download. You click on download, and then you again save it to your folder that you want it saved to. And then you just go back to TK20. Like I'm clicking on a tab here to take me back to TK20. I go back to courses. I go back to ECH490. So this is the only thing that's kind of tedious about it, is that you can't download more than one at a time. You've got to do it for each assignment that you want to download. And you've got to do it twice so that you can save it to your file. So I am more than happy to answer any other questions that you have, or if you want to set up a meeting and I can walk you through this as well, I can do that. If you have any questions, just send me an email at lawrence.ronco@maine.edu. Take care.